Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well with good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very stylish and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women. Many much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyles with beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye, and many much more latest ideas of low maintenance. Hairstyle, fine hairstyle, wavy curly hairstyling, messy hairstyles, beautiful collection of spiky hairstyle, beautiful spike with undercut, trendy ideas of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas in funky colors. So attractive collection of haircut, pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut. Some ideas layered, some ideas step. And many much more latest collection, latest ideas. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice. Very stylish. And you look very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel, like my video. Share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help. So I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. If you're new or any other thing on my channel, please share your ideas with me. I'll become with new trends according to your ideas. So you must share with me. I'll wait. Once again, if you are not subscribed my channel, please make sure you do subscribe my channel and like my video. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll dive back with new collection. New ideas. Take care and bye bye.